right there. No, not the knife. What I'm pointing at, silly. That corner. Something's got to go there, obviously. It's a little lopsided. I already measured it. Bread knife.
Triangle.
So this, the full length of it is 48 inches, which is the same of the panels that are already hanging and already built. This will stand upright and this back of it will go into the corner, as you can see. I need a top and bottom. All I have is the sides, but I still have burlap. Yes, that's good. When things get complicated, it's good to plan ahead. Hi. Say hi. Okay, we're gonna use this saw. You can stand right here and watch. You ever seen someone use a windowsill as their official workbench? These will be the tops and bottoms of the base traps. Are you Superman?
Sure.
Yeah. Can you fly like Superman? When I get a chance, I'll cut some more wood. I think we need to go eat some dino nuggets. Yeah. About 2 hours later, after the children went to bed, Kyle was able to resume production on the home studio. Look. Visualize where it's gonna go. Right there. Oh. Yes, yes, yes. Current thoughts. The way I'm feeling right now is excited and grateful. By the time you're watching this, my YouTube channel will have 100 subscribers. When I checked it earlier, it was at 99. Like in the last week I started posting these vlogs, I've gotten like 10 subscribers. That's huge for me. And I don't look at it as a number. I look at it as each individual person watching me and honestly wanting to hear my story. That is so cool. But it's just that excitement of knowing that I'm expressing myself and creating something and people are like, yeah, yeah, man, I'll buy into that. Like, I believe in that. I can get behind that. That means so much for an artist, for anybody really, but especially for someone creating something. So I am grateful. Grateful for you for watching this and letting me share with you. It is a joy and an honor, and I thank you for being with me. That's how I feel right now.